What exactly is video reel or demo reel? What is it for? Hey guys, my name is Aria, I'm a filmmaker. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. Today we are gonna talk about video resume, video reel, demo reel. All of them is the same, but what is it for? And why should we have one? So, what is video reel? It's a video made from short clips that shows your skills to a potential client. And in other words, it's a video that you can make money from. Why should we have one? Why not just show every project that we made and send this video to a client? As you all know, the modern world that we live in now is really fast. Everything is in high speed. Even the clients, they don't have time for watching every single video or every work sample that you do. Even sometimes they don't have time to read your resume. They just want to sit, look in 1 minute to 2 minute video, and that's it. Even if they want to see some of your work samples, they're gonna ask you after they saw your video reel. So it is very important. And the good thing is every work, every job you do can have a video reel. And it is safe to say, because it's a video and the music and the sound, it is more powerful. It really affects the client. Alright, I guess you can tell you need a video reel. But what you have to keep in mind when you want to create a video reel? First, you need to keep it short. Usually video reels comes in 20-30 seconds to 1 minute or even 2 minutes. I recommend keep your video reel between 30 seconds to 1 minute. 2. Make sure you only add your really good clips, the best ones. Be careful with what clip you choose. 3. Add only the work and the jobs you've done. Don't search for anything and add some videos from YouTube. It gets you in trouble. 4. Don't overdo the video effects and sound effects and transition. Keep that simple, interesting, but simple. 5. Make sure you add 1, 2, or 3 contact information in your video reel. Phone number, your Gmail account, your Instagram, website, YouTube channel, stuff like that. 6. Be very clear about what you do. Make sure the client really gets what's your skills. Don't make a confusing video reel. 7. Choose a right music. A music that most people like. You don't wanna get very creative and very personal about the music you choose. 8. Export the video in a format that any device can play. I think the format MP4 is good. If the client have trouble playing your video, it's safe to say they don't even watch the video. 9. Edit your video reel with a professional video editing software like Premiere, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut, Avid Media Encoder, something like this. And if you don't know how to edit, you can pay someone to edit your video reel. Or you can subscribe to my channel. There are many tutorials, techniques, transitions, video editing, how to shoot a video, gears, many things. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you do, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. And I will see you all next time.